On today's Pookerly and Alex video, we're going camping!
Hey!
Roll the intro. Now let me go back to sleep. Actually, no, that's the wrong... Welcome to our campsite. We have lots of stuff, 2 tents. That's the other tent, and this is a vlog.
Hello.
With us talking about camping. Hello, Pookerly.
Hello. You're zoomed up in my face, aren't you?
So I suppose I'm going to be the main guy in this vlog, right, Pookerly?
Well, not the main guy.
Kind of the guy
You're
hosting
gonna be
it.
the filming.
This is kind of a bit dodgy, this setup. I had to extend certain legs to a certain length because... I'm falling over.
Your shoe.
My shoe.
We're on a hill right now.
Oh, gee.
Right, so while Alex is putting his shoe back on, I'm gonna check up on Dad. How you doing, Dad?
Okay, buddy.
Good. You're blowing up the mattress, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is my bed.
Yeah. It's going right in there. So, Alex, you're gonna give us a tour of the tent. Let's start with our one. Here, this little one.
Woo! And now a tour of our tent.
Right, so here is our tent, guys. I'm the presenter. So this is our little tent me and Alex are going to be sleeping in. We have the doors, okay?
Not really a door, more a flap.
Really, yeah. And then we have 2 mattresses. This is Alex's one, this is mine. We have loads of little lights and stuff hanging
LEDs.
around. LEDs. We have the sleeping
And
bags.
we have a lamp up at the back there.
We also have this little thing that kind of comforts.
Neck pillow.
Neck pillow, pretty much. And that's pretty much
You look
it for our
kind of
tent.
cool with it.
Yeah. Yeah. Refugees. Anyway, let's get out of here and let's get to the next tent. Ow!
There's another group there with their tent, but we're over here with ours. And we have a nice table set up here as well.
Why am I holding this? Anyway, oh, and we also have this that's not ready yet.
What's
it's
this?
A pillow, pretty much.
A blow-up pillow.
blow-up
These are
pillow.
also blow-up
I'm gonna
mattresses
blow
if you
this up
haven't
just-
already guessed that. I think you should leave it to the machine there. That machine.
The machine's working fine.
Oh, that is not gonna work.
Oh jeez, you hit the camera.
Sorry.
Now lads, we're climbing over a wall into a not so attractive area, which is by a graveyard down there. You okay? I'm coming. Right, so if you notice there, I can't really help you, Pookerly.
No, I'm gonna get to a shallower end.
Every man for himself.
Hold on.
I'll wait for you.
There we go. To the haunted castle thing.
Yes, this is a building here, which is supposedly a haunted castle.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go around the exciting way. Well, actually, no. Let's go in through the window. Now it's mostly just.
Why do you have to complicate things?
It's mostly just overgrowth in here. Not much to document, I suppose. This is, I think, where the fireplace used to be, because the chimney goes up there, and that's likely. And
I think, Alex, there was a door there. But it was
I wouldn't
locked
say
up.
so. This seems like the door, and it
A
isn't
tree
really.
has grown in here. Look
It
at
isn't
that
really much of a castle, more of a fancy house.
tree. Yeah.
But it's very small for a house, even still, yeah. Maybe it's like really old and... Okay, I don't know much about old houses.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's go back to the campsite and see whether... yeah, okay, so let's see what we can find there.
Come on, Alex.
Right, lads, I'm coming back down.
Yay.
Oh. Okay, here we go. Oh, no!
Oh no, Mr. Alex is dead. Let's go explore the rest of the campsite, Alex.
Okay.
Come on, let's go. You be the cameraman now, okay? Because I know more about this place than you.
Okay.
Let's go, take it.
Hang on. So off we go on a tour of the campsite.
So off we go on the tour of the campsite. Let's go.
Why did you repeat me? Why did you copy me?
I don't know. Let's go. So this is pretty much the parking lot.
Yep.
Parking place. Then we go down to here on that side. It's where the campers
Sorry
and
about
the
this.
caravans are. I've already filmed this place before, but whatever.
No, you haven't. I don't remember.
Yeah, camping vlog.
Oh.
Last time I went camping. Anyway, let's go.
See.
Right. Let's go. Down here is pretty much a little campsite place.
Glamping.
Down here we have
Glamorous
teepees.
camping.
Down here we have
Glamping, yeah.
teepees.
I think they're called glamping.
No, that's yeah, maybe. Whatever.
Like glamorous camping. So, it's a clever combination of words. So, oh no.
Alex, film this, look.
Yep, they're cool. And we're continuing down here.
Now down here is like an abandoned, unused, as Alex says, playground.
Turns out the playground was closed for maintenance, and we can't
Some guy
go
told
there.
us off.
Not really told us
Well,
off,
not
but just
really, but
told
yeah.
us like we weren't able to get down there because it was closed.
Yeah, whatever.
We were actually down there earlier. It was cool. I'll describe to you with my incredible descriptive
But
knowledge.
Alex, that means we can't film in the place for the Lost in the Woods.
No, not in here. We're going to the woods for that.
No, okay. Well, what woods?
Oh, are we going to woods?
I don't know.
Okay.
Anyway, whatever. Let's do it.
Let's hopefully get into this tent now. Okay, so here we are.
Right, so here we
This
are.
is the tent.
Right, Dad. That's a mic. Anyway, no, take an outside view, Alex.
Okay.
So this is
Actually-
the monster of a tent. Right here. This is where my parents sleep. So let's go in.
Okay.
Right, so, come on.
Yeah, I'm coming.
So, right here is pretty much the main room of the entire tent. I have a torch here. Sleeping bag, and then in here is the sleeping quarters pretty much.
What about in here?
Where?
What's this for? What's all
the
this?
main room pretty much where we get up and eat breakfast and stuff.
Ah, right, I get it.
Yeah. And this is the sleeping
I'm
quarters.
stupid.
Yeah, I know you are.
Oh!
I'm just joking.
Oh! Pookerly, so I'll call me stupid. I'm unsubscribing. Unsubscribe from Pookerly. Let's rebel against him.
No, hey, no. That was a joke. Anyway, so here's the rest of the...
No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't.
Hey, excuse me, it was. Anyway, this is the rest. So we have chairs here, table. We're going to have a barbecue soon. It's not like the...
Don't worry, we're not drinking any of this stuff or that
yeah.
stuff.
Well, just this and
Yeah, just that and that.
These are beers. From
I'm not drinking ketchup. I know I like ketchup, but I'm not
I
drinking
know
it.
that's Alex.
Yeah?
This is the barbecue we use. It's not the things that you can reuse. It's these.
Woo!
Just going to place on the
Hashtag
table.
copyright. We're gonna get hashtag
Maybe
not
we can
sponsored.
block-
Hashtag not sponsored. Not sponsored.
Alex, we could just blur it or put something
Yeah.
over it.
Yeah. If you're seeing that, well, this is just like raw recording. We see if it's edited. Yeah.
Whatever.
Okay. So.
That was the tour of our tent and this stuff. I
Hopefully-
guess that's the end of the vlog, isn't it?
Okay. Yeah. I
Not
suppose
much.
we'll see you in the next video, which
Will
will probably be Lost in the Woods Confidential, where we actually get to speak to the camera.
Yeah, pretty much.
So we'll see you in the next video. Hopefully you liked the new intro.
Yeah.
Well, it was just specially for this occasion. So thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Goodbye.
I can't end it. So guys, we decided to lengthen the Woods vlog by a while. I actually found out that Pookerly did the exact same things last year. So we're roasting marshmallows now, which he didn't do last year. They were just setting up the barbecue last year. So, are you doing well?
Yep, I think it's getting mushy.
Ooh. Who's gonna eat it?
Okay, now we start again. Let's go.
Okay, we're filming the Tiffany video. And that's it for the camping vlog, even though I'm back now. We're back now. So, that's it for the camping vlog. See you next time.